Here I have a Samsung Chromebook, and it's not the DC jack that needs to be replaced, but the pin from the DC jack cable charger that got stuck inside of it that needs to be technically pulled out. And of course, that's that right there. Okay, so the key is to take it apart and see what we can get into. All right. All right. Simple enough. Oh no, not gonna work. Okay. There's the jack. So the whole board has to come out. I don't see getting into that without taking the board out because it's locked in there. So I might have to speed this baby up. Look at that. Job done. Quick $45. Now I need to order a power supply. Well, let's get the battery back in. Okay, let's try not to put all the screws back. Okay. And then one at a time. I'm not talking much because I got a lousy haircut. Oh my god. It's not a haircut. I got a lousy headache. I'm getting a haircut today. Okay, let's go order a power supply for this. Okay? I'll be back. And in closing, after getting a little pin out of the charger, ordered a new power supply and green for charge. Alright. Done and done.